How to add social media icon in Brevo email. So first go to your account and then click on campaigns here. Now choose templates. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to click on create template here at the top right. And then click on email template. Now here you just need to add in your template name. So let's say I'm going to add template 1. And then just proceed to adding all of the columns here. All of the things that are needed here. If you want to see the advanced options here as well, you can just click on this and then begin editing the advanced options here as well. So as for this one, since we're just going to show you how to add a social media icon, you just need to, let's just type in the template name here. And then just proceed to the design. Okay, click on next step. And then let's just choose any of the templates here. So I'm just going to use the pre-built in templates here in Brevo. So I'm just going to use this one. Okay, now here, let's say this is your design, right? And you want to add social media icons here. So here you can just click on content here and then click on blocks. And then you can see this social here. Just drag it here. And then I'm going to add it here. And then as you can see now, here is the social media icons. So if you want to add links here, you just click on it. And then you can see columns here or text boxes where you want or where you can add your links here. So if you want to add more, click on add more. And then you can see there are other icons here as well. Okay. And then once you've done that, you can just click on save and quit. And that's it. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.